Hello tigers and tigresses, welcome to White Tiger Qigong's YouTube channel. I'm Mai, your instructor on this journey to mindful meditation and Qigong. In today's vlog, we're here to support you in tapping your inner harmony. Let's explore the wisdom of Qigong together and find serenity in our daily lives. Join me, and let's embark on this transformative path. Let's start the warm-up. Feet shoulder apart. Ladies, right hand on your dantian. Gentlemen, left hand on your dantian. Let's start with a cleansing breath. Inhale from your nose, exhale from a pinhole on your mouth. Inhale with 4 count. Exhale with 6 count. Open your eyes and shake. You can twist your body. Arms up and down. Shake your legs. Or you can jump. Shake it small, especially the organs. Then hold the chi. Step out. Move your hips side to side. Imagine you are holding the ball and rolling the ball. Back is flat. Go to the side, then the other side. Come back to the center. And coming up slowly. Step in. Look up, arch your back. Look down, tuck your hips. Imagine you are holding a big ball with the back side of your body and the front side of your body. Inhale, open, and exhale, close. Next, side to side. Flex one side of your wrist and the other hand, put all fingers together. Exhale, tilt, inhale, come back. Warm your hands up, and put them on your kidney. Draw a circle with your tailbone. Start from a small circle and gradually make bigger. All the way up. Reverse. Keep breathing. Bring your hands up to the chest. Push up with your palm. And reach out from your lower back. Hold your elbow. Release your hands. Slowly come up. Hands on your lower back. Squeeze your glutes, press your hip forward, and arch back. Come back. Inhale. Elbow back, open your chest. Exhale. Relax your neck and shoulder. Drop shoulder blade down to the earth. Use the weight of your head to stretch your spine. Squeeze your glutes, relax your low back. Slowly come back. Relax your knee. First, rock your pelvis front and back. Tailbone front to tuck your hips, tailbone back to arch your back. Try not to push too much. Then once you feel good, tuck, roll up chest forward, then sit on the chair. For more advanced practitioners, draw figure 8 with your tailbone. Relax your shoulder and neck. Imagine strings pulling up the top of your head. Let's do it with breath. Inhale up. Exhale down. Step out to Mabu or horse stance. The goal is toes are facing front, but if you feel pain on your knee or ankle, you can adjust to open your toes, but always keep your knees and toes are in same direction. Let's practice dragon back in Mabu. Hands are in wellspring palms. Hold chi on your hands. Palms up. Pull your hands into Dantian. Bring your hands back. Open your arms. Keep palms down all the way to the front. Then flip your palm. Hands into Dantian, open, relax your shoulder and flip your hands. Let's put all together. Step out. Arms front. Pull chi into your Dantian. Open. And flip your hands. Inhale as you pull in the chi into the Dantian. Exhale as you extend back. Step in. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bring chi down to Dantian. Feel your chi in your Dantian. Feel the air on your skin. Listen to the sounds around you. Smell from your nose. Taste in your mouth. Open your eyes with a wide vision. Thank you for joining us on the White Tiger Qigong's YouTube channel. I hope you found our mindful Qigong to find inner harmony session beneficial and that you're one step closer to inner peace and balance. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with us for more empowering Qigong content. Remember, the path to inner harmony is an ongoing journey, and you're not alone. Stay tuned for more, and until next time, may your days be filled with calm and balance.